Ikea's inventory drone fleet. Ikea has implemented an innovative solution to manage its vast inventory using a fleet of autonomous drones. Here's a brief overview. 1. Purpose. The drones are designed to improve inventory accuracy and efficiency by scanning and tracking stock in Ikea's large warehouses. This helps ensure products are available for both online and in-store customers. 2. Deployment. As of now, Ikea operates 100 drones across 16 locations in Europe, including Belgium, Croatia, Slovenia, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands. These drones work during non-operational hours to avoid disrupting daily activities. 3. Technology. The drones are developed by Verity, a company specializing in indoor drone systems. They are equipped with advanced scanning technology to navigate and inventory items stored at various heights and locations within the warehouses. 4. Benefits. Efficiency. The drones provide real-time updates on inventory, reducing the need for manual stock checks. Safety. They help create a more ergonomic workplace by eliminating the need for employees to manually confirm each pallet. Cost-effective. By automating inventory management, Ikea can lower operational costs and improve overall efficiency. This initiative is part of Ikea's broader strategy to leverage technology for enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency.